Let's say you've built a library of research papers, but you want to make sure it's a really solid library. Maybe you're new to a topic, you're an RA working for a professor, or you're studying something that's cross-disciplinary, you're not familiar with the literature. It's a really great way to do it. I'm going to cover how to do it on Moara, Moara.io is our site, but even if you use a different reference manager, you can export and then import into Claude and do the same thing. So here's my library. I'm going to jump to the agent. Then within the agent, I'm going to ask a very simple question. I'm researching XYZ. Are any papers in my library irrelevant? As we can see, the responses most are relevant, but maybe some are a little bit less relevant. For instance, this one's an experimental lab study. The other ones are real-world minimum wage employment effects studies on this topic. So I might decide to delete a couple studies, or I might not. I might just mark them as high, medium, low priority. Next question, really straightforward. Am I missing any major areas of literature on the topic? If so, give me a Google Scholar keyword search I can use to actually pull in some of those papers. This one's really interesting, hours versus employment distinction. If you reduce hours, that doesn't count as unemployment, but it's still relevant. I'm going to take the Google Scholar result. I'm going to jump into our own Google Scholar search, and pretty straightforward. I've got a minimized screen here, but I'm going to just add a few of these papers. So I'll add these two. Obviously, you can add all 10 if you want to, but the point is now you've got papers that cover that area of literature, and you've got a very complete library.